Students, in this video, we are going to learn how to find the point of trisection of the line segment joining the points 3, -3 and 6, 9. First, we should know what is meant by point of trisection. Point of trisection means cutting a given line segment into 3 equal parts. I am drawing the line segment. I am naming it as A 3, -3 and B 6, 9. They ask us to find out the point of trisection of this line segment AB. Let P and Q are the 2 points. These 2 points divides this given line segment into 3 equal parts. That is AP equal to PQ equal to QB. To calculate this point P, we are going to apply section formula. The point P divides this given line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. From the diagram, we noted that AP is to PB is equal to 1:2. That is equal to M is to N. We are having the section formula to find this coordinate P. P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is our x1, y1. This is our x2, y2. All the values we are having, we are going to substitute the values in the formula. m1 into x2 6 plus n2 into x1 3 divided by m plus n 1 plus 2, again m1 into y2 9 plus n2 into y1 minus 3 divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 2, that is equal to 6 plus 6 by 3, 9 minus 6 by 3, that is equal to 12 by 3, 3 by 3 is equal to 4, 1. We have calculated the point P as 4, 1. This coordinate P we have calculated as 4, 1. Now we have to calculate this point Q. Now Q is the midpoint of this point P and B. To calculate this point Q, we are going to apply midpoint formula. To calculate Q. Q is the midpoint of P and B. Already we calculated P point as 4, 1 and given P point as 6, 9. We are going to take this as x1, y1 and x2, y2. We know the formula to calculate midpoint. Midpoint formula we are having Q is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. All the values we are having, we are going to substitute. x1 4 plus x2 6 by 2, y1 1 plus y2 9 by 2. That is equal to 10 by 2, comma 10 by 2 is equal to 5, comma 5. So we have calculated the point Q as 5, comma 5. So P and Q are the required 2 points. These 2 points are divide the given line segment AB into 3 equal parts. Therefore, the required points of trisection is P 4, 1 and Q 5, 5. Thank you.